Today's GoldieBlox video is brought to you by Missing Link. In theaters, April 12th. Oh! Is that a Yeti sound?
No, it's a Bigfoot call.
Oh!
What's up, hackers? It's GoldieBlox, and today's video is spring slime. Your brain will turn to slime. It's time to slime your world. We have rainbow slime. Spring is the first time you really see the sun after winter. You make this to show your love for the visible light and the electromagnetic spectrum. Because same, rainbows, they're not just pretty, they're science. But once you mix it all together, it turns to this. It's definitely pretty-ish when it's in rainbow form. It's like so pretty, like I don't want to play with it, but I'm gonna do it anyways because I love you guys. Okay, ready? I don't want to hurt it. Like, it's so pretty. Okay, it's fine. It's still pretty. It's still pretty. She's killing it. She's still killing it. I feel like those like candy makers, you know, ones that like, they like stretch out all the like the sugar, then they make the pretty like candies. It looks like a fruit roll-up. Ooh, it's not, it's starting to get ugly. Just a little bit. Okay, now it's kind of starting to look like Christmas slime. Just a little bit. It's still rainbow slime on the inside. Okay. Rainbow slime! Let's hack it! For this DIY, you'll need clear glue, colored glitter glue, glitter, food coloring, baking soda, contact lens solution, a condiment bottle, and stir sticks. First, mix the baking soda and contact lens solution together in the condiment bottle. This will be your activator. Next, pour each of the colored glitter glues into separate bowls. I couldn't find yellow glue, so I made my own by mixing clear glue, food coloring, and glitter. Next, pour in some activator and stir with your stir sticks. Once slime begins to form, knead it with your hands. Finally, place your slime side by side in a Roji bib formation. Take some pictures now before your rainbow blends into brown. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more DIYs every single Friday. Also, if you want to get notified every single time I post, make sure to turn on that little bell right there. That's all I got for you guys today. GoldieBlox, sliming up.